guess I would just mess up my floor, that's all. Look at how much hair I got off. Hey everyone, it's mariahxworld, where we learn or laugh. So if you learn or laugh during this video, I hope that you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on those bell notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. I'm going to try to start a new topic on Tuesdays, maybe tea time Tuesdays, and I'm excited for that, so look out for that on Tuesday. And without further ado, I'm going to do something. I'm going to be cutting my own hair following a Bradmondo tutorial. So if you'd like to see what happens next, hopefully it works out. Thanks Regina for encouraging me to do this. And let's get into it.
First of all, you're gonna need some tools in order to cut your hair at home. What you're gonna need is maybe a couple of clips. That would be nice. Some shears, some scissors.
My scissors, where did it go? Scissors and Pennywise for about $15. That's about $2 US. They work quite fine when I cut my bangs, but I will show you how that worked out. Hopefully this is better.
You'll get it. You also need a comb. And some hair ties. These are just like the tiny little. And a brush would be great.
Oh, I don't have a brush.
So, wash your damn hair.
I did that.
Apply product.
I did that.
We have our hair blow dried, straightened, bone straight.
I tried my best, okay?
So we're gonna part our hair.
I'm not great with parting. I think parting is my, and then maybe, because this part will not stay if I just leave it there. Hopefully it is even, maybe.
Now that we have our part in the middle all set, you want to bring it all the way down to the back.
I did that already.
Sections. So we're gonna go to the top of the head and you're gonna lay your comb on there and you're gonna find where the apex is. That's the high point of your head.
Is my head flat? I'm confused.
Much later.
Oh my gosh, that part looks so good. I lost it. This part will not stay if I just leave it. Okay, yeah. Oh my goodness, I'm struggling. This is definitely not even. Oh wait, I have bangs, so there?
Right there, right behind her ear. And those are our two sections.
I still don't. It will have to be like that. I actually found a great hair yesterday on my head. Get prepared for some rambling. I just turned 23 and I feel so old because I feel like if I got arthritis for a good amount of time, I could not use my hand. Would you all like to hear a story about that in the future? How I could not use my right hand?
And it should lay nice and flat. Now that we have our front section done like that,
I have a
it
balloon.
would be nice if you had a friend there to help or a mother or a father.
I have no friend.
Dog, I don't know. So you're
It
gonna be
is the
sitting like
middle
this.
of the night.
Pull out your
I don't really have an eye for what is straight.
And in the front, don't worry if you have pieces coming off. That's totally fine. Those are just
Is it straight?
just taking a little off at a time.
What have I done? I am kind of scared now. Hopefully it turns out great. There is hair everywhere. I'll have to sweep. I forgot about this part. I think my hair is just too thick. This is too hard. Look at that. I did that. Oh my gosh, my hair is short. Okay, so what I saw was more beneficial, trying to spread out the hair. I think maybe if I did more sections with my hair, it may have been better, but then again, I don't know how to part hair anyways, so what am I kidding myself? Like, should I even be talking while ever look at how much hair? Look at how much hair I cut off. I will measure it. So this is the final look. I hope you like it as much as me and don't notice that it's a little bit uneven there. Like, it's just this front piece is shorter than this front piece by a little bit, but I know if I go in to try to fix it right now, I will make it worse. And also, for those persons asking, why did you cut your such long, wonderful hair? I've had it in a bun for as long as I can know right now, not in it, and anytime I tried to comb it out, I was losing hair and pulling hair, and the bottom of my hair was dyed several times by box dye. This hair, I don't know if you can see, it's a bit red in the light, and I was ready for change. Actually, I wanted to go a bit shorter, but I think it looks good right now. Let me know what you think in the comments. This is Kool-Aid. Please leave a like and a subscribe. Turn on those bell notifications to be notified when I post. Hopefully I'll start posting on Tuesdays and Fridays. Follow me on Instagram, mariahxworld. And during this time, let's share love and show love to everyone that's going through everything right now. And I hope that you all stay safe. Bye.